Okay.
Okay, so this is the size 10 cake box, and we're gonna assemble this. It'll come flat, and what you're gonna wanna look, you're gonna have the nice side down, and then you're going to pre-fold every piece that you can find here that has a crease on it. Kind of pre-fold everything, and get it all ready to roll. There's also two little parts right here that you're gonna use to secure the lid. Now, so let's say you have a cake and you put your cake in there, okay? Nice easy slide on the cake. Now, bring these two flaps up, and this will tuck into the outside of the flap hole, into that slot, and it should secure down all the way. Same thing here, all the way down. This will come in, go in and down all the way. I'll go get this other side as well. And they will lock in and become, you're gonna want them to be flush down. So now we have a flush area box here, all ends. You're gonna poke these two little slots in, okay? And then here, these flaps are going to also tuck into the slot on the outside. So both tuck on the inside, outside of the slot. The top flap, this piece folds in, and then you have your outside piece, and there you have it. There's your cake.